Board members, the only last item that I wanted to share with you tonight is I know that several of you were at the joint FSBA FADS meeting down in Tampa. One of the meetings that we had as superintendents was looking at all the issues that several of our parents brought up tonight about the testing, the end of course exams, just all the frustrations that we have on our plates today. We did have an opportunity to meet with the commissioner, had some dialogue, but we really need to continue that dialogue and really start problem solving some things. Yes, there are many, many items that are legislatively outlined that are outside of our jurisdiction. When we've talked about those, but there are some things as far as implementation that from a state we need to collectively look at that, because one statute here indicates that you might have some flexibility at the local level. But when you come to another statute over here, it comes at it from a different vantage point, and depending on the purpose of it, we've really gotten away from assessment being used to inform instruction to an assessment system that is for teacher evaluation. Those are two very different purposes, two very different uses, and two very different statutes that outline those. And at times, one that gives us flexibility, the flexibility is taken away from it on this side of the house. So districts are struggling with that. So one of the recommendations is that we roll up our sleeves, we come together, and we look at what is where there's flexibility and what's some common ground here. The commissioner does have an advisory council where I believe there's 12 superintendents that sit on that. I am one of the ones that sits on that. We've had one meeting. It's been several months ago. It was on a different topic. The commissioner did notify us, and she has convened a meeting of that advisory council. Unfortunately, at this point in time, the date has been selected, is a time when we have our board special meeting. My request for discussion, obviously, I will be at our board meeting. My request is that because I would also like to have a voice at that table to problem solve, is it possible for our special meeting to be on Tuesday, December the 16th in the afternoon? And I believe, Mr. Johnson, at this time we would still have enough time to notice that meeting and make that correction, since it is a special meeting.
I have no problem, because everything that you're going to be talking with the commissioner about is all the items that we keep getting addressed to us each and every day. So to have you there to represent us, I think is necessary.